Achọrọ m ịjụ ajụjụ sị, why is it so easy for an Igbo man to insult Chukwu Okike Abiama without having any feelings or having anything that tells him or her that what you are doing is not good? Why? But it's very rare somebody to insult God or Jesus. If anybody mistakenly say anything against Jesus, you see that person going one place, God forgive me, Jesus forgive me, I've sinned against you. Man, anytime, if there is any time you see somebody insult Chukwu Okike Abiama, I tell you, close your mouth, that is a deity, that is evil. Chukwu Okike Abiama is the God we, the Igbo, know. In Berlin Conference, when the white men discuss and have peace within themselves and say they will not fight each other, but rather they will go to Africa to steal three things: gold, oil, and diamond. This is G for gold, O for oil, D for diamond. You can see that gold in different parts of the world, like England, Americas, and different places. You can see that oil, that the whole world is taking oil from Nigeria and other countries. You can see diamond even in the head of King Charles, from Queen of England to King Charles. They are one of the costliest things in the world. In Nigeria today, you can see other resources. But let me come back. God, God. I'm not against it. What you said is true. What you said is perfect. But I want to tell you about my own. Chukwu Okike Abiama. And I will explain to you why we call him that name. One, the greatest God among other gods. Because in our Igbo tradition, our own understanding, other gods are working for God. Including Ekwensu, including Amadioha, including every other god. It's very clear, so clear to us. If we call Amadioha, we can tell you the meaning of Amadioha. If we call any other god, we tell you the meaning. The meaning of our God is Chukwu, the greatest God. Okike, the maker of all things. Abia, the seer of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And the Ama, whoever speaks, and they come to pass. You should know that our own Chukwu Okike Abiam gives us right to come in the morning. We come, like the church tells us, that is a communication, that we should be eating bread and the red wine every day, so that in remembrance and the communion with God. But an Igbo man, before the Bible came, we wake up early in the morning, go to his own chi, and that chi is something that represents him and the God. And he will bring out cola. After throwing the white chalk and the dough, after throwing these chalks, he will bring out orgy and first call on Chukwu Okike Abia. After recognizing his Chukwu Okike Abia, he recognizes his father. If his father is still alive, he recognizes his grandfather, great-grandfather, to any whatever he can remember. He recognizes his own chi. He will recognize again the gods protecting the land. And after that, he will throw out that cola and also eat together. And he will bring a hot drink, very clean, colorless. And he will also pray the same prayer. Throw the white drink and drink it, either ukwen or kai kai. And after that, this, if he want to cut yam or every other thing, in short, every Eke or the 4 market days, if you are born in Eke, you will do your own every Eke or every day. Or when you request something, or when something has come to you, or when you want to do business or anything, or when you want to pray, or when you have feelings. Okay. We know that Chukwu Okike Abiama is the greatest God, is the greatest God, is the creator of all things, is the seer of yesterday, which is the meaning of Abia. the seer of yesterday, today, and tomorrow, and Ama who speaks and they come to pass. Are you not telling me that God is the same thing with Chukwu okike Abia? And our own happening to us. The one you bring to us, we know it's God. But we have to go to Abia. One day, there is nothing wrong with your family, with your culture, with your tradition. What we are suffering today is because of the kind of society, leaders, and the people we stay with. Nothing is wrong with your own chi. If they say your own is wrong, tell them their own is also wrong. So how sure are you telling me that their own is not wrong? Oh my God, I wouldn't dare marry. But today, I am telling every Igbo person, so now that Chukwu okike Abia is the God Igbo people know. Chukwu okike. Chukwu, the greatest God. Chukwu, the greatest okike, the creator of all things. Abia, the seer of yesterday, today, and even future. Then Ama, who speaks at any time it come to pass.